Hello. Today, we've come to see one of our novelties prepared by BEDNAR for the season. It's the new model of the Terraland TN 4000 HD9 Chisel Plough. As you know, BEDNAR has been producing chisel ploughs for a long time, and we are very successful in this segment. Terraland Chisel Ploughs are one of the best-selling products, and this year we are introducing a new mounted and folding chisel plough model. The new Terraland TN 4000 HD9 has a robust frame made of high-strength Alform steel. We use Alform for all our Terraland chisel ploughs as it offers a much higher durability and a longer service life when compared with regular steel, and allows using the Terraland TN chisel plough in depths of up to 65 centimeters. As the name indicates, Terraland TN 4000 HD9 is fitted with 9 tines. The tine spacing is 45 centimeters. HD means a maximal depth of 65 centimeters and hydraulic tine protection. As you can see, this machine is fitted with the active mix tines. These tines have a 3 tines pointed angle for quality deep cultivation, soil processing and mixing with crop residue. The tines can be fitted with 40mm or 70mm chisels, both in the standard configuration or long life, where the individual long life chisels are equipped with carbon plates that increase the chisel durability, for example when working in rocky or heavy soils. If you want to use the chisel plough as a professional subsoiler, especially for in-depth aeration and disruption of hardened layers, the machine will be equipped with zero mix tines that have a negative working angle and do not mix soil. It's a suitable configuration when cultivating soil in summer or in the dry season, as it prevents drying out of the field caused by mixing an opened soil profile. The Terraland TN 4000 HD9 Chisel Plough is a mounted version of the chisel plough and is a folding model, so the maximum transport width on the road is 3 meters, which is required for driving on roads in the European Union. We offer 3 types of rear packers for Terraland TN 4000 HD9. The double rear spiked roller is the most frequently used packer. As you can see, the packer has special spikes that crumble soil and disrupt larger soil particles and clods very well. The option to set the axial distance between the first and second row of the packer is a great advantage. For example, if you have rocky soil or large quantities of crop residue, setting the distance between the first and the second row prevents unwanted clogging of the packers. The next one is the heavy steel cutback with a diameter of 630mm or the single row V-ring packer, also with a diameter of 630mm. Both the V-ring and the cutback are equipped with scrapers that prevent soil sticking and clogging the packer when working in moist soils or in wet conditions. The optional equipment also includes side screens. The side screens keep the soil flow in the direction of driving and prevents the formation of unwanted ridges in the field or prevents soil from spilling over into the sides. The machine can also be equipped with a distribution head, which is a part of the supplementary fertilization set that also includes lines leading to the individual tines. If you'd like to learn more about the new folding Terraland TN model, don't hesitate to visit our website. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you next time.